So this is the title. Now I did leave the 0021. The words that are in the title, also in the description. TubeBuddy will coach you on having what's in the title be in the description. Then I put Lancer for winglet rib and spar construction and a little description about it. I chose the thumbnail. I didn't upload anything special. Here's the tags. And how I got those tags is TubeBuddy is suggesting them. Since I've been on it last, it's been looking at what's going on in the internet and what's going on with my channel and suggest more tags. I can put up to 500 characters. I have, and TubeBuddy suggests you fill this all up. These how to build, I click on that, but it adds it up here as well. How to build. So I added keywords, changed the title to one that TubeBuddy scores an 82 out of 100. I'm going to leave this one. Here's one that I started working on. Let's look at the details. See, yeah, this says Lancer 4. So what I need to put in here is experimental airplane build. Some people put a slash. I'm just putting a space there. Lancer for winglet top rib preparation. Then I should take these words and put them in the description. And I have a little description here. Now let's see about the tags. These are some tags that I put in there myself without the use of TubeBuddy. So I need to add more. The tag should be the same that's in the title and the description, some of them. Now if I come back to this later, as you saw in the other one, this will have some kinds of ranking and suggest which one I should use. It will score it if they're high. We'll save it. This is titled 82, has 57 views. I've taken pictures of this so I can come back and see if this starts picking up here. So we'll go to the details. Here's the video. Change that to experimental aircraft build, 82. Then I put experimental aircraft build Lancer 4. You want to put what's in here also down here. So if I could work in experimental airplane. Now one of the things that I'm considering doing that could generate interest is making it entertaining in the sense that, what does this guy think he's doing, building a 350-mile-an-hour airplane? Is he off his rocker? Let's see what happens. So generate some drama or interest. So that could go in the description. The tags, there are no tags in this either. So we'll click off some of these. So we'll add some of our own. Now look, when I start typing this in, it comes up with suggestions. So as you type them in, it's making suggestions. Now we can click on Explore, and what it does is, let's see, it's using Carbon F, and it's showing YouTube interest over time is increasing. If you notice, copy to tag list. I can make a tag list called Lancer, so we'll copy this to the Lancer tag list. Insert into current video. So we're going to see if it makes a difference. Save, and I'm going to go through all of these with the numbers and see if in the analytics it will go up. And this is pretty good to have 53% of the viewers at the end, but that might have something to do with it's only a minute and 28-second video. So this video didn't get any views, but let's look at over a year. Didn't get any views in the last year since uploaded. Only a 57 views. I took a picture of this. Alright, I'm doing this video number 96. I have the title and description changed. I have a couple of keywords selected, but what I want to do is import them from my list This is on the list. So what I need to do is update that list from one of the others, maybe one that I've determined it's selected. See, I can use copy on another one to get all those in there. There's a copy all here. Let's see if these start picking up in viewership.